When you put the end on, there's a little clip that goes in kind of loosely, and then a little cap goes over it. I put some foam on here with a couple tie wraps just to give it added protection against the roof. And if you want to take those off, of course, just snip them. And you put this on, push this in, slides over. Make sure when you're sliding over, you're getting the bottom one too. And this pin just goes in here. It's the hole below, it pops in. The overall brace works on multiple rungs. It only works in one direction, so I had this flipped the other way, it wouldn't work. You can see these rungs are at a bit of an angle. In fact, they're flat here and they're circular here. And if you try to take this, flip it the other way, it's not going to work. There's one little pin here that holds it in. Pull that out, and this just slides. Lift this hook up. Slides. These arms go in easily. Take that peg and they slide out. And on this one, there's a little handle for like a paint can or whatever you want. Easy enough to put together. The problem is those arms come out at 90 degrees. When you put it up against the roof, they're not 90 degrees. The roof's at like a 30-degree slope. So the top of the ladder hits the gutters anyway. So scratch that one. I'll need something that has much longer arms. Maybe the direction's adjustable.